That's,
it'll push you.
It'll push you. The choice. Because you're not going to go that way. Bring your wheel back, driver. Bring your wheel back, driver. Go, driver.
Listen to your guide.
That's all you got. There you go.
Yep.
There you go. Turn, driver. Right there. Just, yeah, that one's not turning. Can you move back about a couple inches? Right there. You'll need a little bit of a bump for your back tire. This is the high spot right here. Okay, so this tire's going to get a little light. It's just going to want to spin, so you'll need a little bit of momentum to kind of pump you over that. Okay. Nothing crazy, just give it a little bit.
Am I going straight?
Yep, keep your wheels exactly like they're at. There you go. That's what that slider's there for.
You're fine.
Back up again a couple inches, and then try that again, but don't let off once you get there. Just keep it steady. There you go. All right, hold that right there.
She's got the clearance.
Yep.
Yep.
Sherry did all.
Might rub on the body like
Well, she's on the slider. That's the high spot over there, so I'm going to try and get her turned wide.
push her over as soon as she comes up.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's not much of a choice there. And there's oh, heck yeah, they are. All right, you're still looking real good right there. Keep your wheels where they're at and try to bump it over that same spot with the rear end. Nice and easy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Your tires are perfect right there.
Oh, close.
Hold right there. Yeah, there's a little chalk back there, but that looks okay. Right here. Turn driver a little bit. There you go. Just trying to straighten your wheels out. Ease it back a little. There you go. Right there. You're hitting, there's this one little rock sticking straight out and it's hitting your rocker panel here. But if you have enough of a bump on your back tire right here, that's the lowest spot. Other side looks great. But if you start spinning up here, just stop. If you won't, you probably won't go anywhere if you don't have to move forward. Stay just like this. Stay just like this. Nope. Nope, you're clear. Once you get up, once you start coming up, it might actually be better if you start easing this way. That's the flattest ground. Otherwise, you got to take another chalk right here. It's just a nice little bump. See what it does.
Ah.
Hold right there.
This side's good.
Yeah, this side looks fine. It's just hanging up on the corner with that one rock.
Yeah. That's all right. You can get her off.
Turn driver. Back up just a little bit. Rock your back tires all like pretty much hanging in the air. A little bit back. More driver. Back a little bit right there. Turn passenger. Right there.
Yep.
A little bit more driver. Back this way. Here we go. Now give it that same bump. I'm lining this rock that keeps hanging up on your rocker panel right up in front of your tire. So hopefully you'll just hold right up over that. Alright. Almost. Now we're getting out of line, so let me just
Thank God for rock sliders. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Yeah. We can still drive if you want. There's a tree right there. You want to try driving it again?
I think I'm just ready to get out of it.